Hi guys, my name is Lee. Join me in unboxing this Nanoleaf LED light panels Rhythm Edition. I purchased this because of its sleek design and flexibility on how you want the panels to lay out. Weight of the box is 2.7 kilos, length is 11.5 inches, width is 9.5 inches, height is 3 inches. What's inside? 9 LED light panels, mounting strips, linkers, the power adapter, mounting stencils, and rhythm. Power and play button must be connected to the universal power unit and panels. Each side of the panel is 8.5 inches and weighs 196 grams. Let me show you how the back looks. These are the linkers. Just attach one panel to the other. Nanoleaf Rhythm is the sensor for the sounds. You must download the Nanoleaf app to access controls. Choose from the color paint splatter for the mood you want to set. Click on Rhythm to activate the sound sensor.